So, out of branding, out of selling, I wish these were the things that we were taught in school instead of teaching us about mitochondria, trigonometry, and stuff like that. Have you ever thought why do influencers have more followers than budding entrepreneurs? Or why do movie actors, sports person, or politicians for that matter have like huge following and like greater impact than people who are in NGOs or like other good career options? They have less following than these. Why? And one common thing between a movie actor, a sports person, or a politician is face value. So basically, they brand themselves so that they have that impact, and whenever there is face value, the trust increases exponentially because it's easy to trust another human instead of trusting another brand or so called name. So if I tell you that I have created this for you instead of saying a brand has created XYZ for you, it's very obvious for people to believe in me and not a brand which is made by another human. The reason why I'm creating this video is to explain that we humans have took this device called cell phone, on which I'm recording my video right now, so much for granted. So 20 years back, we needed a huge PR team and also pay them a bomb to become famous. And now all that you want right now is a phone, a device, few softwares and few apps, and then have an account on it and create any video, that too of your choice, whatever excites you, whatever you're passionate about, and be consistent and get famous. It has become all so easy. Branding is one of the most important business skills that anyone can ever have. I'll give you reasons. One is it makes your product unique and stand out no matter what. Two, it can inspire millions. Three, networking. It can get you networks and people who could help you grow and people whom you can contribute to like magic. Fourth is you are going to be stalked all the time, even when you're sleeping, which means people are also stalking your products or services all the time, which means it increases the scope of them buying it as well.